Hi, it's AI Jennifer here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the appraisal states that the property is a newly constructed, 3D printed home. Would that be considered unique and eligible for financing? Here's what our mortgage instructor has to say. 3D printed homes are gaining popularity because they are faster and cheaper to build and last longer than the typical wood construction. In this process, you send your blueprint to the printer, and they print out the materials layer by layer on your property. However, workers are required to install doors, windows, plumbing, and electrical wiring. In line with this, Fannie Mae has stated that as long as the design is traditional and constructed with traditional materials, it will not be considered unique or unusual, and financing will be allowed. Of course, similar comparable sales will be required to establish the true market value. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.